Very good evening, students. Today we are going to learn about what is part of speech. So here, a part of speech is a particular grammatical class of word. एक grammatical class of word होता है. Whenever we people are doing conversation, we need to form a meaningful sentence, and that meaningful sentence we are going to make from these type of classes like noun, pronoun, adjective, verb and adverb. So here we come to know that with the example how we are forming a sentence. Pooja is a girl. So my dear students, in this sentence we have taken a many class of words like Pooja is another form, is helping verb, a it's become your article, girl it's your object in this sentence, and in the form of object it becomes a noun, common noun. So here we come to know that how we put words together to form meaningful sentence. Each word in sentence belongs to a particular set and class. As I told you, Pooja is a girl, so here I explained that Pooja it's in subjective place and this becomes your noun, is helping verb है, ए आपका आर्टिकल है, गर्ल ऑब्जेक्ट में क्या है, नाउन है, और वो भी कौन सा नाउन है, कॉमन नाउन है. तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ इट इज़ यूज्ड द क्लासेस आर कॉल्ड पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच. So it is based on you and speaker how we are forming the sentence and how it is needed to us. So a good communication skill only we can learn through the part of speech, through the English grammar. So next, here all sentences, as I know that and we all people know that all sentences begins with the capital letter and end in either full stop or question mark and exclamation mark depending on your sentence types. So there are 8 part of speech. How many part of speech, students? 8. First one is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. In this lesson we are going to learn about noun. So generally we all know that all naming word becomes your noun. So noun is a word used to name a person, place, animal or thing. So I have given a very good example through which we can understand what is noun. In this garden I can see a cock, a parrot, a cat, a monkey and a horse. So students, here monkey, cock, parrot, horse are the name of what? Name of animals and bird. So here from this sentence we come to know that noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. So further in noun we are going to learn how many types of number in noun. There are 2 numbers in noun. One is singular noun and second one is plural noun. What is singular noun? If a noun denotes one person or things, जब भी हम किसी एक पर्सन, एक व्यक्ति की बात करेंगे अपने सेंटेंस में, that is called and it is said to be in the singular form. For example, kite, boy, cow, girl, woman. So ye students, these are the example for one person and one thing, and that is called singular noun. Plural noun, if a noun denotes more than one person or thing, जब noun एक से ज़्यादा person और चीज़ों के बारे में हम बात करें तो वो क्या है, प्लूरल नाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्रोज, डक्स, बर्ड्स, चिल्ड्रन, ट्रीज. सो फर्दर थ्रू some sentences we are going to learn what is singular noun, singular number and plural number. So let's begin. For first example, a crow is sitting on a tree. A crow is sitting on a tree. Second one, 10 crows are flying over the trees. So students, here crow, in first sentence, crow, there is only crow, only one crow, so that becomes your singular noun. In second sentence, there are 10 crows, means यहाँ पे एक से ज़्यादा क्रोज हैं, तो ये सेंटेंस में हमने कौन से नाउन का नंबर यूज़ किया है? प्लूरल का। आइए देखते हैं थर्ड वन, अ बॉय इज फ्लाइंग अ काइट। सो स्टूडेंट्स, अ बॉय, हियर इट्स अ सिंगल बॉय, सो दिस इज योर सिंगुलर नंबर. इन सेकेंड सेंटेंस, two boys are sitting on a bench. This is your plural noun. Why? Here we are talking about more than one person. More than one person, हम लोग यहाँ पर एक से ज़्यादा पर्सन की बात कर रहे हैं, तो ये क्या हुआ हमारा? प्लूरल नाउन. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, in this lesson we come to know about what is noun and what is part of speech, how many part of speech, how it is important in our communication language. So further we learn about how many numbers in noun. I explain there are two numbers in a noun, singular number and plural number. Singular number, I explain, there is if one person in a sentence, that is called your singular noun and singular form. If a number denotes more than one person or thing, it is said to be in प्लूरल फॉर्म. एक से ज़्यादा व्यक्ति और चीज़ों की बात की जाए तो वो हमारा प्लूरल नंबर में होगा. सो आई हैव गिवन सम फ्यू एग्जाम्पल्स. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स and my friend, if you like my videos, so please like and share and subscribe. Thank you.